Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of SatoWallet, an all-in-one cryptocurrency wallet designed for both novice and experienced crypto enthusiasts. SatoWallet is well known for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of features that cater to the needs of various users. Whether you're looking to store, send, or receive cryptocurrencies, SatoWallet provides a secure and convenient platform to handle all your crypto needs. To begin, navigating through the SatoWallet website is incredibly intuitive. Once you create an account, you're greeted by a clean and organized dashboard displaying your wallet balances and transaction history. SatoWallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile option for those who deal with various digital assets. The wallet also employs state-of-the-art security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and encrypted keys to ensure your funds remain safe. For deposits, simply click on the Deposit tab, select your preferred cryptocurrency, and generate a wallet address. The process is swift and easy to follow, with helpful prompts along the way. Similarly, withdrawing funds is equally straightforward, with real-time transaction tracking that provides transparency and peace of mind. The wallet's seamless functionality extends to its ability to send and receive crypto globally, providing lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The SatoWallet platform also boasts an integrated exchange feature, allowing users to swap between cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. This eliminates the need to transfer funds to an external exchange, saving time and reducing fees. For those who value privacy, SatoWallet prioritizes safeguarding user data, ensuring that transactions and personal information remain confidential. In addition to its core features, SatoWallet offers exceptional customer support, available 24/7 to assist users with any queries or issues they might encounter. The team is knowledgeable and prompt, ensuring a smooth user experience. Another standout feature is the detailed transaction analytics, which provides insights into your trading and spending patterns, making financial management effortless. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Stay updated on all things crypto with our detailed reviews and guides.